Welcome back gamers to the official ZAP-Hosting YouTube channel. My name is Sally and in today's tutorial I will show you how you can set up your own Myth of Empires server on a Windows VPS machine, so let's get started. First, I will show you how to get a Windows VPS server. If you own one already, skip the video to the provided timestamp on the screen. Now navigate to the root server bar, select VPS hosting and then click on Windows VPS hosting. Here you can configure your server to your liking. You can change the server location, RAM, CPU cores, disk space, IP addresses, bandwidth and the operating system. Finally, select the payment method, but before you confirm your order, here is a little gift from us. 50% off voucher code, which you can use by clicking here on use voucher and typing empires-VPS. After you confirm your order, the server will be up in just a minute. Now click on your VPS server and wait for the server to finish the installation. Once the installation completes, navigate to the settings tab, which can be found right here on the left. Here, create an administrator password that you will have to use in order to log in via the remote desktop app. After that, click on Save. Now copy your service IP and launch the remote desktop app on your PC. Click on Show Options. In the Computer tab, paste in the IP to your server. The username will always be administrator by default. Now click on Connect and type the password, which is the one you defined earlier, and click on OK. After successfully connecting to the machine, create a folder on your desktop and name it however you like. For example, I will call it Myth of Empires. After creating the folder, you will need to download SteamCMD. To do so, open Google Chrome and paste the link that you will find in the video description. Now scroll down until you find the download link and simply click on download. Once the download finishes, feel free to close this window. Now open File Explorer, go to the Downloads folder, open the Steam file and drag and drop the contents of it into the folder you created earlier. After that, double-click SteamCMD and wait for the installation to finish. After it is finished, write down the following command: login anonymous. Then paste in the app update command that you will find in the video description and press on enter. Installation of your Myth of Empires dedicated server will now begin, which can take up to 10 minutes, so sit back and relax. After a successful installation, feel free to close this window by writing quit. Now open Steam on your PC and find Myth of Empires. Right-click on it, navigate to Manage and then click on Browse Local Files. A new window will open where you will need to find the Private Server Tool folder. Right-click on it, press and copy and then go back to your VPS machine. Here, open the folder called Steam Apps, then Command and finally Myth of Empires dedicated server. In here, right-click anywhere and press on Paste. After that, open Private Server Tool folder and then launch privateservertool.exe, which will help you create the server config file. Using this tool, you can manage mods, guild, building, icon, player settings and many other settings. If you do not want to edit your settings here, I will show you a different way to do that a little bit later, so for now, go to the Start Console tab and press on Save Config. After that, press on the Start Server button, which will generate a bat file. So go back to your server files, right-click on Start Private Server.bat file and click on Copy. Now navigate back and paste it into the Myth of Empires dedicated server folder. After doing so, open the file using Notepad++. Here you can edit your config as well, but please keep in mind that you have to edit a couple of fields inside this bat file. First, you will need to paste in your server file location in this field, so go back to your server files and click on the navigation bar right here. Now right-click on the selected path and press on Copy. After that, navigate back to Notepad++ and make sure that you're only replacing the same part of the text as shown. After replacing the path, find the settings that are called multi-home and out address. These fields may already contain your service IP address, so double check to see if they are correct or not. If not, simply go back to your ZAP interface, copy your service IP and paste it into both of these fields. Now go to the end of this file where you will find the server admin accounts field. If you copied your private server tool folder from your own Steam account, this field will be automatically filled out. If it's not filled out but you wish to become an admin on the server, check out the video description where I will leave the link where you can look up your Steam ID. After making all these changes, do not forget to save the file and close this window. You will now need to log the ports to access the server, and this process is really simple with the script we have created. Search for Windows PowerShell and run it as administrator. A new window will open, so simply paste in the following command that you will find in the video description and press on enter. All the needed ports will now be unlocked for your server to appear online and for others to join. Now go back to your server files and double click on the start private server.bat file, give it a couple of minutes for the server to fully load, and then launch Myth of Empires on your PC. In the game, click on custom server and then search for your server in the search box that can be found right here at the bottom left corner. Now select a server, click on connect, put in the password if you have created one earlier and click on confirm. And here you go, you have now successfully connected to your own Myth of Empires server. Enjoy! If you have any questions, you can contact our support by creating a ticket on our website or live chat, and we will be more than happy to help you out. Now have a lovely rest of the week and enjoy playing on your ZAP server.